Okay, so I brought this for my door, obviously, because for some reason the siding on my house is very difficult to get nails and screws into. So I thought this would be the next best thing, and it actually is. The only reason why I'm giving it a 4 is because um, I think they should possibly take into consideration that some people may have storm doors. And if you have a storm door, you need to think about that before you get this, because when your door is closed, this part of this storm door is going to be in the way, and your camera's not going to be able to see but a small portion outside the window. Not really a big deal for me because I have Ring cameras outside on my front porch, but that was the only concern I had. This is how it latches on in the back, and I still love it. I just think a longer piece right here or adjustable piece would be even more perfect, so that you can slide it further over on your door so that you can see out it if you have a storm door. That's it.